Hi, in today's video I want to give you a short review and a couple of close-ups of my new flashlight. This is Arkfeld Ultra 3-in-1 flashlight made with special aluminum material. Hello again. So in today's video I'm gonna be talking about this cool flashlight. What's special about it? First of all, material. It's made out of special all aluminum material, which is much harder and more durable than regular aluminum. As you can see, it has beautiful shape, it has nice ridges, so it's really very easy to hold on to. Also, it has two lenses. You can have also 3 different lights. I'm gonna show it in a second. And in the front dial, this is where you change all the settings. In the back you have a charger. This is magnetic charger, and then you have a little clip, so you can clip it this way or you can clip it this way. So it's very versatile. You can use it in different situations. It fits perfectly in my hand. It's nice and compact yet powerful. The light also has a magnetic end, so you can use it like this. If you work on a car, you can just stick it to the back of the hood, and then there you go. That's another way of using the flashlight. The light comes with this USB charger, and this is magnetic port that goes in the back. It just clicks like this. When you're gonna be charging it, you're gonna get a red light. When not charging, it's gonna be green. Of course, we get a manual with extensive information of all the features. You have a couple of different illumination options. You can have a moonlight, low, medium, high, and turbo mode, which will give you different brightness. Here's different ways of how to turn it on and off. I'm not gonna bother you with that, but you can operate the light together with the laser, and you have content in several different languages. As you can see, the light is rated IPX7 and it should reach up to 103 meters. Here you have a selector which allows you to change the modes. So on the right you have a regular light, in the middle you have a laser, on the left hand side you have UV light. I in particular like the UV light because once you turn it on, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but with the UV light you can see a lot, especially if you want to do some cleaning around your house. UV light is one thing that, well, it's gonna drive mad all these women that do clean all the time. Let's take a look at this. This is all the spots around my sink. Those are all the spots around my sink. If you don't use the regular light, well, it looks like it's nice and clean, right? Well, think again. If you have a UV light, now you can do regular cleaning. Look at this. All those spots show up with UV light. This is the powerful laser. Wow, this one is super bright. Whoa, you can see the trees. That's really far away. This is really, really powerful. Look at this. Wow. Alrighty. And the laser. Let's check out the laser. Well, laser, of course. That's gonna be really, really powerful. So as you were able to see on my review, this is amazing flashlight. Small, compact, portable, yet powerful, and gives you different options between the regular light, UV light, and laser. The light is waterproof and you can just easily recharge it like this. and give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more. Thank you. Goodbye.